Chemistry. Table 5.1 shows some information about aluminium and copper. So this is the table that we have. So we have density in gram per centimeter cubic. We have the melting point, electrical conductivity, both of them, it is I. Then we have other information. Aluminium, it forms a layer of aluminium oxide which prevents corrosion. Some copper compounds are toxic. So part A, use information from the table 5.1 to answer the following questions. Number 1, state why aluminium and copper are used in electrical cables. So the reason is very simple. It is because aluminium and copper are good conductors of electricity, or aluminium and copper, they have high electrical conductivity. Part 2, state why aluminium is used in overhead electric cables. So aluminium, it is used in overhead electric cables because it is lightweight. It is lightweight. In other words, it has low density. So that is the other reason why aluminium is used in the overhead electric cables. Part C, state why copper is not used to make food containers. So copper is not used to make food containers. The reason is very simple. Because acidic food can react with copper, leading to unsafe for consumption. Or the other reason that we can give is that some copper compounds are poisonous or they are toxic. But B, steel is an alloy of iron. There are different types of steel. Figure 5.1 shows the arrangement of particles in pure iron and in one type of steel. So this is pure iron and this is steel. So in steel, it has different particles. The particles, they are different. So the first part is describe what is meant by an alloy. An alloy, it is simply the mixture of metals. It's a mixture of metals or a metal and other elements. So it's a mixture of metals or a mixture of a metal and other element. Part 2, explain why steel is stronger than pure iron. So steel, it is stronger than pure iron. The reason is very simple. Because steel, it has atoms of different sizes. Okay? That is in the regular arrangement. So this makes it difficult for layers to do what? To slide over each other. So as you can say, in a pure iron, we only have one type of what? One type of atoms. So it is very easy for these atoms to slide over each other, making them less stronger. But these, it is difficult for them to slide over each other because there is different atoms in it. Part 3, stainless steel is an alloy of iron. Stainless steel is used to make Cutlery because it is strong. State one other reason why stainless steel is used to make a cutlery. So here the question is saying stainless steel is an alloy of iron, and stainless steel it is used to make a cutlery because it is strong. So state one other reason why stainless steel it is used to make cutlery. It is used to make cutlery because it does not corrode. It does not form rust. So that is the other reason why it is used to make cutlery, because it does not corrode or it does not make rust. The last party, aluminium, copper, and iron are extracted from their ores. Metals are extracted from their ores by electrolysis or by heating with carbon. Put one tick in each row of table 5.2 to identify how each metal is extracted from its ore. So you need to understand that when we are extracting metals, the methods that we use for metals that are most reactive. So for the metals that are most reactive, the method that we use it is electrolysis. So aluminium is reactive. So we don't use this method of reduction by using carbon. Instead, we use electrolysis. Then copper and iron, they are less reactive. And on the reactivity series, copper and iron, they are below carbon. So those metals that are below carbon on the reactivity series, we use reduction by using what? Carbon. So copper and iron, we use reduction method by using carbon. So for online tuitions, you can WhatsApp me on 0969 80 31 07.